If you need to request a refund from Amazon, the process is straightforward. Follow these steps to ensure you complete your refund request successfully. Step 1. Sign into your account. Go to the Amazon website and log in using your account credentials. Make sure you are using the account that made the purchase. Step 2. Navigate to your orders. Once logged in, hover over the accounts and list menu at the top right corner. Click on your orders to view a list of all your recent purchases. Step 3. Find the order. Scroll through your orders to locate the item you wish to return. You can use the search bar or filters to make this easier if you have many orders. Step 4. Initiate the return. Click on the Return or Replace Items button next to the order. Follow the prompts to select a reason for the return and choose your preferred return method. Step 5. Print return label and ship. After completing the return process, print the return label provided. Pack the item securely and attach the label before shipping it back to Amazon. Once Amazon receives the returned item, your refund will be processed according to their policy. If you have any issues, you can always contact Amazon customer service for assistance.